Let me quickly show you how to use DeepSeek with Google Docs. Welcome back everyone to How Chenic. Let me show you a quick example of how you can use Google Docs with DeepSeek. Let's say, for example, if you're trying to summarize and structure this information or this article, you can just copy and paste this entire article, paste it into DeepSeek, and then add in a prompt. Once you add in your custom prompt, you can hit send, and DeepSeek will summarize this information and add it in a presentable way. This way you can now copy this information back into your Google Docs. Now if you don't want to do this, and if you don't want to switch between Docs and DeepSeek, and if you're trying to do it inside of Docs, what you can do is add in or integrate custom GPTs inside of Google Docs. If you head over to extensions, as you can see, there are multiple GPTs that I've added in. These are all extensions. If you also want to add them, click on the add-ons option, click on Get Add-ons, search for GPT for Sheets and Docs, and make sure you install this first application. Click on the install button right here. Once the application now has been installed, head over to extensions and then select GPT for Sheets and Docs. Click on launch, and you have a custom built GPT right inside of Google Docs. In order for you to add in any prompts, make sure the custom prompt is selected, or you can also select the default options such as summarize and then add in your prompt. And there you go, the summary now has been created right from the integration or the extension of this custom GPT. So either you can use DeepSeek on a web browser, or you can install various extensions so you can use an AI bot right inside of Google Docs. So that was a video about the way that you use DeepSeek with Google Docs. I do hope this kind of video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.